Welcome back everyone. I'm Gaurav and today we are going to understand the report embedding. The report embedding allow you to integrate reports into platform like a website, apps or portals. It enable users to view and interact with the reports directly without needing to switch tools or access additional platforms. Let's understand what is embedding. The embedding is like a placing a live interactive document inside a web page or application. The report become a part of the platform, just like a photo added to a document. Why it is useful? Well, it's easy to access. View reports directly from the platform you're already using. Live data, exactly. Embed report automatically update with the latest information and the effective sharing provides an all-in-one place to access key insights without the extra steps. Okay, how to use it? You use a special code called the embed link. This code tells the platform where to find the reports and how to display it. Now, who can use it? Well, anyone can use the embed report. Even the minimum technical knowledge you need to copy and provide link or code and paste it into the designed location. Let's check the embed report in action using the AIV application. Get in the AIV application, click on the hamburger menu, and then go to the reports to get the embed link. Choose any of the reports. Yeah. Right click on any of the report and click on the embed button from the right click menu. Then you will get the one parameter dialog box. Just hit the check. If you have a text parameter, add the value. Just click on the send to apply the parameter and then you will end up getting the embed dialog box. Here you will see the two options, infinite and the validity. Well, the embed link generates one link which you can use forever without any validation. But with using the validity, you can add the time frame of the embed link so that you can use that embed link for a specific period of time. Now, let's take the demo of the infinite embed link. Click on the generate button to generate the embed link and you will see embed link generated successfully alert message on the top of the screen. Now, here you can see we have a three kind of a links, internal, external and the embed code at the end of the embed dialog box. To use the internal embed link, copy the code and you can use the same browser to add to use. Just paste the link and hit the enter. And you will see the internal embed link output in the current browser. To use the external embed link, you need to use the external browser. To use this link, click on the copy button. And now here I am going to use a Firefox browser. Just paste the link, hit the enter, and you will see the external report. And in the bottom, you will see the embedded code. You can add this code into any of the HTML body in any of the website you required. Let's understand how the validity works. As you click on the validity, you will get the property to add the date and time. Now let's add the date and time. Hit the generate button and you will see the same output like we did in the infinite tab. Here we can see the internal embed link, external embed link and the embedded code. This only works till the 30th of November 2024. I hope you guys understood the simple logic of the embedded link in the AIV application. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I will see you in the next one.